Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss practical number 9. So the practical numbers 9 worksheet are given here. So initially you want to enter the given data in your Excel sheet. So thereafter you want to set the column. So based on the column widths are given here. So then third, they have given a formula to calculate the change. So here, so the initially the first change is equal this year minus last year. So then you will get the change. Then thereafter change percentage, that is equal to change divided by last year. If you didn't get that percentage, you can apply like this. Okay, so from here you can apply the percentage. Okay, so then as usual, so you want to calculate the total, average, highest and lowest each column. So total, for the total just select an auto sum. Average is equal average, then select the value range, then lowest min, select the value range, then highest max, select the value range. So whatever the formulas generated, all the formulas are displaying here. Then these three questions are similar. We have already discussed this area, so you can easily complete. So create the header, includes your ID in the left section, name in the right section. So footer with the page number in the center section. Then finally you want to make the table horizontally, vertically center on your page. So like this way you can complete the practical number 9.